Welcome to the University of Birmingham. While you're studying here, you are going to need access to Wi-Fi. The university offers high-speed Wi-Fi in every building across the Edgbaston and Celio campuses.
That means here, and here. You get the idea. To access the Wi-Fi on your laptop, tablet or mobile, just go to the wireless network settings on your device and from the list of available networks, select EduRoam and sign in using your @student.bham.ac.uk email address along with your university password. Once you've completed these steps, you should see another pop-up on your screen. Make sure you click on Trust, and that's it, you are now connected to the internet. If you are signing in on an Android device, we recommend downloading the free Get EduRoam app from the Google Play Store first and signing in through the app. It just makes things easier. Next step is to select University of Birmingham as your institution. Put down your university email address along with the university password, and that's it, you're now connected to the internet. It's as simple as that, but if you still have any more problems signing into the Wi-Fi, then you can get help from the IT service desk. They are located on the ground floor of the main library. You can also speak to them via the IT helpline on 0121 414 7171 or via the live chat service, which is available through the IT service portal at itservicedesk.bham.ac.uk. And the good news is, both the IT helpline and the live chat service are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So IT support is always available whenever you need it. Plus, you can find lots of helpful knowledge guides on how to access and use all of the university's digital services on the Find and Answer section on the IT service portal. Happy browsing!